Okay, Eli, I've given you all sorts of advice, so how did things actually turn out? Stay tuned. Hello again, everyone. I'm Eli's dad with Project Eli, where we educate, we lead, and we inspire. I want to share with you some thoughts. Okay, first of all, so how does everything turn out? Well, I have everything I wanted as a teenager, only 60 years later. I don't have to go to school or work. I get an allowance every month. I have my own pad. I don't have a curfew. I have a driver's license and my own car. The people I hang around with are not scared of getting pregnant, and I don't have acne. Life is great. I changed my car horn to gunshot sounds. I find that people get out of the way much faster now. Gone are the days when girls used to cook like their mothers. Now they drink like their fathers. I didn't make it to the gym today. Now that makes 5 years in a row. So I decided to stop calling the bathroom the John and renamed it the Gym. I feel so much better saying I went to the gym this morning. Old age is coming at a really bad time. When I was a child, I thought nap time was a punishment. Now it feels like a small vacation. The biggest lie that I tell myself? I don't have to write that down. I'll remember it. I don't have gray hair. I have wisdom highlights. I'm just very wise. And if the Lord wanted me to touch my toes, He would have put them on my knees. Last year, I joined a support group for procrastination. We haven't met yet. Why do I have to press 1 for English when you're just going to transfer me to someone I can't understand anyway? Of course, I talk to myself. Sometimes I need expert advice. At my age, getting lucky means walking into a room and remembering what it is I came in there for. And, Eli, when you get older, you find that there's a new reality. Here are some of the things that I find in the new reality. In style means the clothes that I wear are the ones that still fit. You don't need anger management. You need people to stop pissing you off. Your people skills are just fine. It's your tolerance for idiots that needs work. To say that you're on time, that's when you get there. That makes it on time. Even duct tape can't fix stupid, but it sure does muffle the sound. It would be wonderful if we could put ourselves in the dryer for just 10 minutes and then come out wrinkle-free and 3 sizes smaller. Wouldn't that be great? Lately, you notice people your age are much older than you are. Growing old should have taken longer than it took. Aging slows you down, but it doesn't shut you up. You still haven't learned to act your age, and you hope that you never will. Easy for me to say. And I want to give you one more. One for the road. The meaning of that has changed. One for the road now means peeing before you leave the house. It's the little things. And I'd like to thank Steve Laughter from where I got this little ditty from. I hope you enjoyed it. There's a lot of truth to be said in, things that are humorous. So I hope you were able to extract some of the truth from this. I know I did. I wanted to share this with you and pass it along. Okay, and until next time we get together, hey, don't ration the passion, fashion the passion. I'm Eli's dad.